Here's how you can connect Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. The first thing is you have to simply tap on settings on the bottom left corner of your Shopify, and you just have to go for domains. Simply tap on this, and after that you have to go for connect as existing domain and enter your domain and simply tap on next. And once you are done with this domain entering section, you just have to log into your Namecheap account and simply tap on domain list. After that you have to simply find your domain and click manage. In the DNS setting you will need to add a record and a CNAME record, and for the A record point it, and for the CNAME record you just have to map it to shops.myshopify.com. And please note that changes may take up to an hour to affect on your Shopify store. After this, you just have to go back to your Shopify account and click verify connection in Shopify admin. So that was the process of how you can connect Namecheap domain to your Shopify